Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today we're going to talk about a 2020 Northwood Desert Fox 21SW. This manufacturer is out of La Grande, Oregon. We're here in Junction City, Oregon, so it's a local brand for us, and it is a true all-season toy hauler. And when I say true all-season, this is going to have a heated, insulated, and closed underbelly for the tank area. Where most talk about enclosed tank areas but not insulated. So this is going to be insulated and heated, so big difference there. As well as option, or now standard, they're going to have dual pane windows with the solar reflective glass. They build their own frame. Now, one of the only manufacturers that I know in the RV industry today, there might be one or two else out there, but the one I know is Northwood Manufacturing, that starts from the frame up, builds their own frame, and then builds the RV on top of it. And everything goes where it's made to go instead of just putting it where they have places to put it. So a few neat factors with the Northwood Manufacturing and the Desert Fox that they do today that's different than a handful of others or all the others that are out there today. This is a little 21 SW, so it has the double bunk beds in the back, made down into, could have an option of a couch in the back on the lower or opposing dinette. This is going to have a front bathroom model, so it's a very wide, spacious bathroom that goes from wall to wall, side to side on the very front end, with a mid-kitchen, mid-living room. Solid wood cabinetry, and the cabinet doors, all solid wood. Plywood in the floors, plywood in the roof. They build their own sidewalls. They build everything they possibly can in-house. Nice, comfortable seating, nice countertop area, tons of storage, a nice big oven, a 3-burner cooktop, large water capacities, big microwave, a smart TV, stereo system, nice high-end, high-output furnace system. This is going to have one air conditioning, a 4,000-watt generator, large fuel station, and then you get the patio kit out the patio for a ramp door patio kit out the back end. Nice high-end power awning with 6-way adjustable pitch. 16-inch wheel and tire on a little 21. Most people aren't doing that. Fold out step above, so real solid step system. Motion sensor lights around on the door side to give you that optional feature of having it in motion sensor or on all the time or off all the time. Again, some of those things that the other manufacturers are not doing. Diamond plate rock protection up front. Big heavy-duty jack, power jack on the front end. Big propane bottles, big capacities. Full walkable roof. There's not a flat spot on the roof. So when we look at the roof, it's curved this way and this way. So again, built in the Northwest, watershed, snow shed, nothing can pool up on the roof causing leaks when they're not supposed to be. The manufacturer's been around since about '93. Guaranty's carried the product, was one of their very first dealers from around that same era, and a company that's going to be alive and still there for a long time. Independently owned, which is a very nice thing, and very good all season for the Northwest. We don't have to just wait for summer to come out to use it. We can use it year round. So there's really a lot to talk about in this Desert Fox, and we carry the whole line of them. So we have usually have a good inventory of each floor model that they make. So if you have any questions, my name is Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770, and make sure you ask for me if you just happen to stop by, and I'd be happy to help you and show you around with our inventory. Thank you and have a great day.